Picture this. A star's fury hurls billion-ton plasma bombs at Earth, lighting skies in eerie green, but threatening to plunge cities into darkness. Solar storms, nature's fireworks, or an apocalypse preview in 2025's peak cycle. They're closer than ever. What if the next one hits your grid? Gear up for 10 explosive facts that'll shock your core and light up your feed. We're counting down from 10, starting with a fact that defies comprehension. Fact number 10. These storms are speed demons, blasting out from the sun these clouds of charged particles, known as coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, can travel at over 1 million miles per hour. That's a journey from the sun to Earth in as little as 1 to 3 days. Faster than imagination. One direct hit, and our satellites could go blind before we even see it coming. Fact number 9. Solar storms are the universe's greatest aurora architects. When those high-energy particles slam into our planet's magnetic shield, they don't just bounce off. They paint our skies. The result, breathtaking auroras. The northern and southern lights, dancing in vibrant greens, reds, and purples. Its beauty, born from a cosmic battle hour. Magnetosphere's desperate shield, glowing for us all to see. But with beauty comes immense danger. Fact number 8. Solar storms are grid assassins. A powerful storm can induce an electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, in our power lines. This surge can overload and fry critical transformers, leading to widespread, long-lasting blackouts. We're not talking hours, we're talking weeks, even months. Imagine Carrington 2.0. Billions in the dark, with hearts pounding in panic. Ready for the lights to go out? The chaos doesn't stop at the grid. That brings us to fact number 7. Tech terrors. Our modern world runs on invisible signals, GPS, radio communications, and internet connectivity. A severe solar storm can disrupt them all. Flights get rerouted as pilots lose navigation. Emergency communications go silent for a few terrifying hours or even days. One storm could bring the entire connected world to a grinding halt. Why now? Why is 2025 so critical? Fact number 6. We are entering the solar cycle peak. The sun goes through an 11-year cycle of activity, and we are heading into solar cycle 25's maximum phase. This means our star is becoming more active, angrier, with sunspots churning, and the frequency of powerful flares and CMEs expected to double. Its predictable fury, but the fallout is anything but. Even nature feels the approaching storm. Fact number 5. We see wildlife warnings. Scientists have observed that animals sensitive to Earth's magnetic field, like migratory birds, whales, and dolphins, can become disoriented before and during a solar storm. Flocks scatter, and ocean pods dive deep. It's as if they sense the invisible doom approaching. The question is, are we listening? This isn't just science fiction, it's history. Fact number 4. Historical horrors. In 1859, the Carrington event, the most powerful solar storm ever recorded, struck Earth. It was so intense that telegraph systems worldwide shorted out, sparking and even melting the wires. If a storm of that magnitude hit us today, it wouldn't be telegraphs sparking. It would be our smartphones, laptops, and servers yesterday's. Spark is tomorrow's global nightmare. But we aren't defenseless. High above us, we have Sentinels. Fact number 3. Our space shield heroes. A fleet of satellites, like the GOES and DSCO VR missions, constantly monitors the sun. They act as our early warning system, taking the first hits and giving us precious hours to prepare, to safeguard our grids and put other satellites into a protective safe mode. They are our unsung guardians, our tech warriors in the void. The sun's influence reaches deeper than you think. Fact number 2. It provides climate clues. Solar storms don't just bombard our magnetosphere. They deposit energy into our upper atmosphere, subtly warming it and causing it to expand. This can affect atmospheric circulation, potentially tweaking the paths of jet streams and influencing weather patterns down here. On the surface, the sun's whisper can reshape our storms below. And now, for the most explosive fact of all. Fact number 1. Human triumph. For all the fear and potential for chaos, our greatest asset is our own ingenuity. Thanks to our space-based sentinels and advanced modeling, we can now predict the arrival and intensity of these solar tsunamis with increasing accuracy. From fear to foresight, we are learning to tame the stars. Tantrum. This knowledge allows us to take protective measures, saving economies, billions of dollars, and, more importantly, saving lives. Solar storms. A fury that forges us stronger. Which fact electrified you most? The dread of a global blackout or the magic of the auroras? Vent in the comments. Could 2025's solar peak change your life? If this sparked your cosmic fire, like to charge the grid, subscribe to Fact Frontier Science for daily science surges, and hit that notification bell. Next up, quantum leaps that bend reality. We're storm ready together. What's your solar storm survival plan? Comment to power up.